Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we will be comparing two popular countertop ice machines, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker, known for its soft, chewable nugget ice, and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker, which offers a more portable solution with bullet ice. We'll explore their features, performance, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home, kitchen, or office. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and ability to absorb flavors. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker creates bullet ice, which is more traditional but melts faster. While nugget ice is perfect for drinks and cocktails, bullet ice is versatile for various uses, including chilling beverages quickly. When it comes to price, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is significantly more expensive at $249, reflecting its advanced features and high capacity. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is budget-friendly at just $69.99, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. This price difference highlights the trade-off between premium features and affordability. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive daily output of 33 pounds, making it ideal for large gatherings or high-demand environments. In comparison, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker produces 26.5 pounds of ice per day, which is still respectable, but may require more frequent refills during heavy use. This capacity difference can be a deciding factor for those who need a constant supply of ice. In conclusion, both the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. The Silonn is perfect for those who prioritize high-quality nugget ice and can invest in a premium product, while the Sweetcrispy is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking portability and efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.